Hello, good evening, namaste. Welcome to the Banknifty daily chart analysis video for today. Let's use this video to learn more about how Banknifty can behave and understand how it can work in tomorrow's trade. Banknifty created a very big, large green candle today. It is a very bearish sign. It has engulfed the last 3 or 4 days of small candles that it created. It was trading in a small ranges, like 300 200 300 points range over the last 3 or 4 days. It was consolidating, and now it has broken out of the pattern. So if you check my yesterday's or day before yesterday's trading video, Bank Nifty was creating this symmetrical triangle pattern. So if I draw here, this was a symmetrical triangle pattern that it was creating, and in yesterday's trade we actually went down and broke this pattern on the downside. However, Bank Nifty immediately reversed those gains in the trade, and then went up and closed above this green trend line, a green upward slanting trend line that we have. So that means the confirmation of the breakdown of this symmetrical triangle did not happen. However, in today's trade, it actually went up and broke this on a higher side, and then immediately came down. Bank Nifty had a very sharp fall in the afternoon trade, and fell for around 350 points, and then again consolidated and broke up again, so on the higher side. So now it is confirmed that Bank Nifty has broken this symmetrical triangle pattern on a higher side. It has given a breakout on the higher side. Another positive sign is Bank Nifty has went up and closed above this red moving average. It's a simple moving average that I follow normally. It's the range for that was 44,855, and Bank Nifty has gone up and closed above this moving average at 44,878. So very much bullish signs here. However, there is also one last hurdle that we still have, is the last week's high of 44,955. So in my weekly chart analysis video that I uploaded on Saturday or Sunday, I mentioned that this will be a very important range for Bank Nifty to break out of. So now, as it has closed at around 870, it made a high of 915, and it's consolidated there. Let's just go to the 15-minute chart and learn more about it. So this is what I was talking about. It opened up, went up to and created a high of 672, then started falling at around 11 o'clock and made a low of 44,402. It fell 350 points from the high of the day, and then started consolidating within the range of 44,400, 44,500, and then broke out of this range at around 130, and then made a one-way move to the highs of the day. The high that it made is 44,913, and this is just close to this red trend line that I have on top, and the level of this is 44,960, which is the last week's high. Now the best trade for tomorrow will be the Bank Nifty opens either flat or a little on a higher side, and trades within this range of 44,900 to 44,700, 750, 44,750, 700 range to 44,850, 900 will be the best trade. It should go ahead and consolidate more. I mean, though it has consolidated well over the last 3-4 days, as we talked about in Nifty's video as well. You see this big range that it is going, but in order for us to break this weekly high of the last week, we have to make at least a 1 or 2 hour consolidation more before it starts rising. Also, I see the options premium, there are very high premiums right now. I think it needs to cool off a bit. It has rallied from the low of 44,400 up till 44,900. It's a 500 point rally in 2 hours of the trade in the last. So it needs to cool off a bit before it makes a fresh entry. So once it cools off, let's say it trades for first half an hour, 1 hour at this range between 44,750 to 44,900, 950, sorry, 900 and so, and then breaks out the highs of the day, which was 44,921 and 930 level, 920 level. Once it breaks out of this range, then you will see a very fast movement, and I am sure it will then go ahead and first test the 955 966 level, that was last week's high, and then once it comfortably starts trading above 45,000 2022 levels, that's when you see the rally coming up, the next rally coming up in Bank Nifty. This is also the level 45,050 55 level is also the same level that I talked about in my weekly chart analysis video that I uploaded on Sunday. This is going to be a very important resistance zone, 45,055 to 45,960. Once it starts trading, as I said, above that, those 45,050 levels, Bank Nifty can easily go and rally up to 45,500 as the first resistance, and then 45,800 as the second, and then the third would be the life high. So yeah, and now if I just remove this red trend line for a bit, now Bank Nifty is creating this, if I just show you this upward triangle. So now it has to work through this range, as I said, this consolidation range, and then breaks out. It will give us a very, very nice move on the higher side. Alright friends, thank you so much for your time on this video. Do leave a comment, share your feedback, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you can get more updates. Thank you so much. Take care.